Good morning, children. Let us start with today's thought. Keep going. Everything you need will come to you at the perfect time. Let us continue Lesson 21 Public Services for Community Life. Children, in the previous video, we have learned that public services are provided to us out of money collected from us as taxes. We have also discussed about one of the important public service, that is bank. Children, let us continue with another important public service, that is postal service. Children, nowadays we can easily talk to any person we wish to by giving a call through a mobile phone. Even though the person is living far away from us, anywhere in the world, we can talk to a person anytime we wish to, right? But in olden days, when there were no mobile phones and no internet service available for people, people used postal service to keep in touch. Children, the postal service is useful for keeping in touch with our friends and relatives. Letters can be sent to any part of the world. You can see logo of India Post here, that is Indian Postal Service. Children, various services are provided by India Post. For example, delivering mail. Mail means letters, parcels sent by post. Sending money as money order. Accepting deposits means keeping money safe in the post is also possible. Along with this, postal life insurance, bill collections and sale of forms are some of the services provided by Indian Postal Service. Children, the people in a locality sometimes come together and find out what the local needs are. Based on their findings, children, findings means outcome. Nishkarsh. They decide to start an industry or service in cooperation with one another. Children, industry is a small business where things are made to sell. Cooperation means working together. They contribute some of their own money to start that industry or service. Children, contribute means give some money. All the people working together give some money so that the amount can be large to start an industry or a service. The profits are distributed among everyone. Children, profits means nafa in Marathi, that is gain. The difference between the money spent and the money earned. For example, if the expenditure is 1000 rupees and the money collected, that is earned, is 1200 rupees, then the extra amount, the difference, that is 200, is the profit in that transaction or a business. This is just an example, dear children, of profit. Institutions formed by people's cooperation are called cooperatives. Children, such industries, such institutions are called as cooperatives. आपसी सहयोग से जो इंडस्ट्रीज शुरू होती है, that are called as cooperatives. Children, Cooperation means working together. Contribute means to give some amount of money or maybe other things. Profit means gain or nafa. Distributed means give a share to each person involved in that particular group. And cooperatives are institutions formed by people's cooperation. Here are some examples of cooperative industries. First is cooperative spinning mill. Children, spinning is a process of taking textile fiber and making them into yarn. Right? Then the fabric is made from these yarns. Such industries give opportunity for employment to people living in that particular area. Another example here, that is cooperative bank. As we have already discussed, we can keep money in the bank safely and withdraw it whenever needed. Banks also provide loan service too. Another industry here, that is dairy industry. Children, dairy industry is a business enterprise that make processing of animal milk, for example cow or buffalo, and make products like curd, paneer, butter, etc. Children, such institutions are helpful for people living in that town to provide opportunity for work. Do you know, almost 400 years ago, a postal service was run in Golconda as follows. There were small huts at intervals of every 2 or 3 miles. In the first hut, there was a harkara. Harkara means a man who carried the post. The first harkara took the post bag from the first hut and dropped it in the second hut. The second harkara stood ready to take the bag. He took the bag and ran to the third hut and dropped it in. This is how the post was carried to other places. This system was called the dark system. Children, this is just for your information how the post was delivered. Here we have completed the lesson. Let us revise what we have studied in the lesson. Public facilities are services that are available for everybody. The Gram Panchayat runs the administration of a village. The municipality runs the administration of a town. There are municipal corporations for big cities. Public services should be used carefully. Money is kept safe in the bank. We can send letters anywhere in the world with the help of Postal Service. Institutions formed by the cooperation of the people are called cooperatives. Children, you have to read the lesson thoroughly. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.